Imagine submitting hundreds of job applications and never knowing why you're rejected. The truth is worse than you think. Right now, job screening algorithms filter 75% of resumes before a human ever sees them. Your qualifications might never matter. A machine decides your worth in milliseconds, based on patterns you can't see and rules no one explains. Take Amazon's AI tool, trained on 10 years of resumes, mostly from men. Like a broken judge misinterpreting evidence, it penalizes words like women's or mentions of all-female colleges. The algorithm didn't know it was discriminating. It just repeated history at scale. One engineer proved this by changing her name to male on identical applications. Interview requests poured in overnight. The system had learned to associate competence with masculine phrasing, quietly shutting women out. It's not only gender. These systems evaluate everything: employment gaps, date formats, even hobbies. One applicant's 7-year gap raising children registered as lack of commitment. Another was rejected for using perseverance. The algorithm linked it to lower income backgrounds. No human programmed these rules. The machine invented them by spotting patterns in flawed data. Recruiters see only a ranked list of top candidates, unaware of who vanished in the filtering. Applicants get generic rejections, left wondering, was it something I said? Something I did? Human rejection hurts, but algorithmic rejection is worse, like being shadowed by an unseen critic at every step. It offers no feedback, just silence. The danger grows with each hiring cycle. New data feeds back into the algorithm, reinforcing biases. Neighborhoods with black-sounding names get flagged as high risk. Graduates from historically black colleges receive lower scores. None of this appears in the code. It emerges from the patterns, invisible until tested. Companies claim these tools ignore race and gender. Technically true. Instead, they use proxies, names, zip codes, affiliations. A study found chatbots recommended 12% higher interest rates for black borrowers, while denying race played a role. The algorithm had simply learned that black neighborhoods had higher default rates historically, never questioning why. We've outsourced judgment to systems that disguise bias as math. They're fast, they handle volumes no human could, and they promise objectivity. But an algorithm trained on biased data doesn't make fair decisions. It makes biased decisions faster, and unlike humans, it offers no apologies, no explanations, just automated rejection after automated rejection, each one training the next wave of exclusion.